DCD's Model Q Handle Lasher is nice and easy for short, small runs. Take it out of the box, and it's got a rotating drum and two rollers to adjust the tension. When you're loading lashing wire, they come with 4 cable ties on them. Now we can go outside and set up. So the Q Lasher is pretty simple. Left hand thread on the flange. Drop in your coil of wire. Set your flange over top. You can hold the hub steady through the back. Tension adjustment on the second roller. Unscrew the thumb screw. Adjust it where you want it to go. Tighten it. Pass the lashing wire across the first one, over the second one. That's your tension adjustment. That's all there is to the Q Lasher. So you get to the other end of the line, terminate your wire, feel free to clip off. And that's how the Q Lasher works.